Good.
Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's doing good today. I'm here to tell you that all my life I've heard that lead's bad. Lead paint, lead this, lead that. But lead ain't so bad. I mean, you're finna see that, I work with lead every day. Just recently started with it, but you're gonna see, unless you eat it, it ain't gonna hurt you, pretty much. So as I start this speech, I'm gonna tell you some dangers of it. I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to make sure you don't get it in your body, because it can hurt you, but it really not as bad as it seems. Even just right now, I will say this, that they still make Matchbox cars, candies, fishing supplies, makeup, mini blinds, all kind of electronic equipment is made out of lead. So, and we don't realize that. Just because we don't paint our house with lead paint anymore, don't mean we don't use lead anymore. It's everywhere. We use it at Southwire. That's where I work, in Douglas, Coffee County here. It's a big corporation stationed out of Carrollton, Georgia. We've just put in the new facility here. That'll put our second facility in Douglas. So, and now they've moved me to the new facility that we're going to use the lead to cure the rubber that goes on the wire. Where previously we used what they call continuous vulcanization. I don't know where they got that word from or even really what it means. All I know it means is they cure the wire with steam. And it takes a little longer, you have a little more waste that way. This way we're hopefully going to reduce our waste and produce a lot more quicker. But you got the little bit of dangers of lead. But I've researched every bit of this information to let you know that I found out if you use the right precautions with lead every day, and even in the world, you won't have any problem. Today, even this morning before I left work, we were actually having to dross out the pot where the impurities of the lead were coming up to the top of the pot, which was fine. And as the machines were sitting there, they created suction to be able to pull, to get the fumes and stuff off and the dust. So it wasn't so bad. Even though you can't just sit down and do this, you just got to keep your mind right and just take care of your business the way you're supposed to. Actually, this morning, I want to tell you this quick story is that the safety guy come out this morning, caused a big fuss because we didn't have a respirator, a full body suit on because we were drowsing this lead, right? Well, then the engineer that's putting in this machine says, you don't need all that, you don't need all that. He's been working there for 40 years, this guy, and he says, you don't need it, you need a dust mask. We're freaking out thinking, man, we've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on safety equipment just for this purpose, and we don't need it. Anyway, so he comes in and decides, we didn't need it after all. And so I just want to let you know, the world is not as dangerous as it seems to be if you just use your head about it. And always know that you can if you take care of your responsibilities in life, your lead, if you smoke, it's going to kill you. If you do things bad, it's going to hurt you. So if you're around lead, just take precautions and you'll be fine. Thank you.